a senior at Kimberly High School.
4K.
Some of my favorite things about school are hanging out with my friends and just learning from great teachers.
Writing and jumping. Sometimes we just learn, but sometimes we let it play games sometimes.
Kimberly High School has offered a lot of clubs and extracurricular activities that have really made high school a positive experience for me. I plan on attending the University of Wisconsin-Madison to study something business or finance related.
Be a teacher at high school.
I've had a very positive experience attending Kimberly schools. All the teachers have been really helpful and there's a lot of great classmates.